Assalamualaikum guys. Today I am going to tell you how to make a professional logo for YouTube opening. So let's start. First here you have to enter your channel name. Like my channel name is Entertainment Vision. Then click on the OK button. Then click on the play. Choose the style which you want. Which style you think looks better for your channel you choose. You can change background color and you can also select image from your gallery. It depends upon you that in which color you want to edit your logo. Here I choose from my gallery. You can see this. It's an amazing. It's a superb software to make logo on Android mobile. You can see this. It have many